Today's video will be on a staycation with my girlfriends back in July 2021. We were lucky that this staycation managed to carry on as the Singapore government announced a stricter regulation after that weekend. Anyway, we chose ParkRoyal Collection Pickering because of the beautiful greenery facade. And yes, it's the building with lots of plants sticking out if you pass by Chinatown. So this is the lobby. Here is a room tour of the collection signature suite, and there's only 4 of this room in the whole hotel. There's a sofa, some tables for your work situation. The room is around 73 square meters according to their website. You can find a cooler, an espresso machine, coffee capsules, tea bags, cups that you need over here. There is this sliding door to separate the work or entertainment area from the sleeping area. The door will help to block out some of the glare in the evening. Here's the king-size bed. They provide complimentary water in these glass bottles, which are recycled and reused after cleaning. You can purchase these bottles if you wish. I personally feel that the metal tap can be quite hard to remove for some of the bottles. You may ask the staff to get a new bottle or ask for help to open them. I especially love their large panel windows surrounding the entire room. It allows plenty of light to shine through in the day and conserve electrical energy at the same time. One more television here so you can Netflix and chill under covers. Another table at the corner, which you can choose to do your makeup or work. I love their spacious bathroom. The right side of the bathroom would be the showering area, and the bathtub comes with the rain shower, and bath salts are also provided. You can ask for more bath salts if you require. Just call for the room service. The middle section is the dry area. Comes with 2 sinks, so you don't have to snatch with your partner. Even with 4 of us, there's enough room to brush our teeth together. Left side of the bathroom is partitioned with another sliding door that leads to the toilet bowl and a separate sink. There's another door that you can get out from, meaning to say you can still conveniently empty your bladder without entering through the main bathroom door when someone is showering. It's a very thoughtful design in my opinion. In the wardrobe just outside the bathroom is where you can find a safe, laundry bag, bedroom slippers to change into. They also provide iron and ironing board, bathrobes, etc. There is enough space to stash our belongings here. As you can see, there's lots of bags and some pretty satin cloth hangers to hang your clothes. They use touchscreen control panel for their lights and their blinds, and that's me playing with the automatic blinds in the bathroom. They have a day and night blind. As you can see, the day blind is slightly translucent. You can still make out the shape of the plants outside. Please remember to roll down the blinds unless you want to give a free show to the gardeners while showering. And girls being girls, we spend some time taking photos in the room, lots of photo spots that are Instagram worthy. We had a quick dinner at one of the popular China food restaurants nearby. It's approximately 5 minutes walk away from the hotel. Their tomato egg, 番茄炒蛋 in Chinese, and the pork belly skewers is a must order. We are back in the hotel to catch the sunset after dinner. One of my few criteria for staycation is that it has to come with a bathtub. It's part of what makes a staycation relaxing, and I'm finally utilising my bubble bath bomb from Lush, which has been stashed in a drawer for a while. Some snacks and drinks to accompany our movie night and the gorgeous night view. This is the view next morning. I can wake up to this every day. The hotel corridor is partially air-conditioned, while the rest of the area is open concept with plants and some small water fountains. This is the swimming pool level. If you'd like to use their hotel facilities, you can book a time slot on the website. I remember the pool slots were rather limited and we were only left with the early morning slot next day. And there are restrictions to the number of people due to COVID. They have cage-like canopy and the interior is spacious enough for 5. This is where you can find a gym and some sunbeds to lounge on. You do not need to bring any towels as they will provide it at the counter just outside the pool. The lap pool is on the right and the jacuzzi is on the left. Here's a photo of me at the pool to end today's video. Don't mind me if I sound rather awkward, it's my first time doing a voiceover for a video. Hope you like it. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get updates on my next videos. See you till then.